Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Never mind all of this. I'm cooking, cleaning, organizing. I have my recipe box out because I stumbled across, boy, Instagram I think is starting to get me in trouble. But I stumbled across a recipe that I'm going to be able to use in a collab video that's coming up, I think, next week. The week of Christmas. And I had already came across another one earlier this month that I wanted to do for this same collab coming up the week of Christmas. And anyways, I may end up doing both or one of the two. So yeah, I got my recipe 10 box out so I can write the ingredients and the notes and stuff from the video and make some little modifications. Anyways, I heard my mail lady engine outside and I went out there and I had a Sipsby box. Sipsby box is simple. It's a $15 a month tea subscription. They do have like a 3-month in advance payment plan, and lately they've been coming out with like little seasonal one-off boxes that you can get, you know, just for that moment. So I think they may have a holiday one out now, but it's limited or something like that, or the supplies are limited. Like I said, it's $15 a month. You do get a referral link. I think I have one. If I do, I'll leave it in the description box below. I'll leave the website link for you in the description box below if you're interested in just browsing around, checking it out, or reading up on more details. You can email the company and specify at what time of the month that you would prefer to receive your teas. Today is the 17th of December, and I did do so and let them know, you know, in future boxes, if you could get my box out a little bit closer to the beginning of the month, I would appreciate it, so that I can go ahead and sample the teas, pace myself, because I drink so many different ones throughout the duration of that whole month versus getting it towards the middle end. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's packaged really simply. There's not a lot of fuss or what have you put into the box. If you do, give them a shout out on social media, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. I think there's a monthly random drawing. This one is Sip Together. Let me see. Share this card with a friend who hasn't tried Sipsby yet, and they'll receive their first Sipsby box free. Wow. So I can gift this to someone. That's I like that. And their first month's box is free. Go ahead on Sipsby. And then here is a $15 gift card. This gift card would apply $15 towards a first time Sipsby subscription for 1 month free of tea just for you. It's saying the Google information, and then there's a code that they can put in at checkout. So that's great. I got 2 little cards that's giftable, and that would allow someone to give the company a try. Each month, each box that you receive, oh, and yes, you can pause and you can skip a month. So I do like that about this service. And if you decide in that month that you want to resume and still get the box within that month, you can do that too. All right, so you get, on one side, it tells you the month. On the other side, it tells you more detailed information about the tea, the vendor that they've selected, and what the tea purpose, caffeine, and etc. So you get the steeping time information, the brewing temperature information, and you get the measurements, like how many teaspoons or tablespoons that you would need, and how many ounces of water to brew in. You also learn if it's low caffeine, caffeine free, or high caffeine. So let's see, I have a Peaceful Holiday by Tranquillo Teas, and you do get a discount. I've been meaning, I think I have, I don't know, but I need to get around to doing that. I need to find out if the discount applies to just the tea flavor that was sent in your box, or does that discount apply to your whole order? But let's get to, if I get the information before or very quickly after the upload of this video, I'll put that reply in the description box below. So this is the Peace Holiday Tea. Okay, guys. And let's see, it's a low caffeine. The color pops of red peppercorn and orange slices makes this green tea blend taste and also look festive. This smooth and fruity blend brings the holidays to a tranquil state. I was flipping it on the back to see if I could see the makeup of it, but I could probably just go to Tranquillo Tea House website, and it's saying green tea / caffeine, and just see what other herbs or spices is in here. But they're saying basically it's a green tea with some red peppercorns and some orange slices in it. Don't smell anything through the bag, but I'm not going to open it yet because I'm not quite ready to drink it. The next thing we have here is Savor Tea Co. Peppermint Mate. Yeah, I like me some yerba mate, and I don't think I have any on me right now. So let's see. Yerba mate, peppermint leaves, and oh Lord, natural flavor. Yeah, yerba mate would be a high caffeine tea. Let's see here, and it's saying a refreshing blend includes calming peppermint, energizing yerba mate. Curl up, make yourself a cup of peppermint mate, and read a good book with energy. Anybody else starts reading and something about it puts you in a state of calm, and then you get sleepy, and it's like, what the hell? I planned on reading 3 or 4 chapters, and I'm only on chapter 2, and I'm already ready to go night-night. So yeah, 1 teaspoon, 8 ounces of water, 208 degrees Fahrenheit, and you steep it for 5 minutes. So the next thing we got here is Unwind by Snarky Tea. This has some green rubus, holy basil or basil, which is aka Telusa or Telios, natural flavor, Lord have mercy, lemon balm, kava, sasherberry powder, and that's what's in this one. This tea is designed to help you relax, with kava for restlessness and holy basil for stress, which does work. BTW. Escape the chaos and just chill with this relaxing combination of calming ingredients. Free sampler with code boom boom boom, and then you could do at Snarky Tea. Cool. Well, I may give it a go tonight. You know, why not? The proprietary blend is kind of up there. 2020 milligrams. 2020 milligrams. LOL. Oh, wow. Yeah, I might give it a try. Get knocked out tonight. And then the last one in here is Colombian Black Tea. Let me get all the way up here. Colombian Black Tea. This is a high caffeine one. 1 tablespoon per 8 ounces, 200 to 212 degree Fahrenheit, steep for 3 minutes, and this one is re-steepable. So I do like that. I think this is the only one in my box this month that is re-steepable. So you can get 2 brews out of it. This is an organic black tea, you guys. This is coming from, I might not be saying this right, but Bitachu or Bitaco, Colombia. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. The leaves that create this smooth amber brew were grown in the rich volcanic soil and nourished with spring water next to a thriving rainforest in the midst of Cape Andes. 20% off if I use the code that they provided. Well, I will try this. I have some oolong. So tomorrow I'll try this when I get up in the morning. I normally try to, well, no, I don't. I don't even lie. I normally try to start with like a white tea. No, I just do what the hell I want. And it depends on how much energy I'm wanting. So I would say if you drink black tea, to make sure you drink a good bit of water, because it is a little bit hard, you know, hits a bit harder. It packs a bigger punch. White tea is a lot gentler. Then your certain green teas can be a little bit gentler. When you start getting into like yerba mate, oolong, Darjeeling, those type of teas, they tend to be way more potent, way more stimulant, caffeine boosting. And so I would say drink water because you might feel it, you know, in your side or something if you're dehydrated and you start drinking these type of teas. So I'll give this guy a go and see how it does, how it do. And I'll brew it one time by itself, but at first I think I want to blend it with some oolong tea I have. And then you always get some little biodegradable sachets so that you can put your loose leaf teas in just in case the person don't have a filter. This is a great gift box for someone that you want to introduce some different teas to, or you know that they're an avid tea drinker. It's inexpensive. They get 4 different servings, and if you just send them like the code or whatever, then they can sit down and do the profile on the site, and it'll be what is sent out is customized to them. So that's why if you watch multiple of these videos, just even for the month of December, none of us got the same, because Catherine got one that I really, really want. And so it looks like I'm going to have to buy that independently or send them an email and ask if they can put it in my next shipment box. Anyways, that's it, guys. If I didn't cover something with my little chatty self, you can ask me a question in the comment box below, and I'll try to respond to you in a timely fashion. If you like this type of video, unboxings and health stuff and beauty and all that, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like this video and you think I did pretty good, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone. Peace.